So you may have noticed something about the shapes that we've been talking about today. They all have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Vertices being those points, those angles where they meet, where the lines meet. That's because all of our shapes today are quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, super fancy name for any shape with 4 sides and 4 vertices. How many of these shapes can you name so far? Ooh, I know some easy one. And another super easy one, right? A square and a rectangle. What about these? Do you remember what these are called? All sides are equal on this one. It's a rhombus. What about this one? Do you remember what this one's called? This side looks parallel and this side looks parallel, so it must be a parallelogram. And how about this one? Ooh, that crazy name. What is that crazy name? Trapezoid. Yes, we've got our trapezoid. And so these are quadrilaterals. Yes, of course they are. But they are also polygons. And a polygon is a closed shape. So it's not open like that. It's closed all the way. And it's composed of straight lines, not blobby forms like this one. So a polygon is a closed shape with straight lines, and a quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 vertices.